As a very concrete example, let's look at following distance. Responsibility Sensitive Safety, RSS, is a set of math that helps you decide whether the vehicle is operating in a safe way according to good driving rules. The fundamental example given is following distance. If you know some physics, you can look at the acceleration, deceleration, and so on, and derive some math to say this is how far back you should follow from another vehicle, assuming braking capacity, assuming friction of the road surface, and all these other things, and you know what the safe following distance is. A KPI for this would be something like the average following distance. Are you following more or less about as far as you should most of the time? That's a great KPI, because if that KPI says you're tailgating, you know you have a problem. But you can be a little more nuanced than that. A runtime monitor similarly would say, well, right now I'm following too closely. The KPI says 99% of the time at the right distance. Right now, here at this second, I'm too close, so I'm going to slam on the brakes to avoid a rear-end collision in case the car in front of me should brake hard. Okay, that's a great runtime monitor, and it can give you some operational safety, but that's not an SPI. The SPI might be how often do I slam on the brakes because the runtime monitor is unhappy, but it should also have a more overall look. Is the situation more dangerous than expected? Am I spending too much time in traffic that's denser than I expected, and so my whole operational safety is misjudged because I didn't realize I'd be forced to tailgate by dense traffic? Am I seeing the lead vehicle panic braking all the time where my safety case assumed it would be a rare event? Am I seeing that I'm spending too long to recover, that I made some allowance that sometimes someone cutting in front of me would result in too close a following distance, and I figured I'd be able to get far enough away within 5 seconds, but it's taking me 10 seconds. Is that a big deal? Well, in any specific drive cycle, maybe not, but overall, those statistics will probably catch up with you. So the SPIs look much more like a big picture, things aren't what I expected, rather than a runtime monitor, which is we have to react right now and here's what we're going to do. And a KPI, which is, yeah, seems to be generally doing what I thought it would do, but I'm not going to worry about the details of safety.